Namaste Hariom. I'm Acharya Pratishtha and I welcome you all at Bharat Yoga English. So we are learning Bharat Yoga Gatis. These Gatis are being developed at Mokshaitan Yoga Sansthan in Bharat Yoga tradition and by Gurudev Swami Bharat Bhushan Ji. We will be learning Vyaghra Gati. Now the name itself says Vyaghra means tiger. So what are the qualities of a tiger? Tiger is very quick, very energetic, and tiger's waist is too small. So lean, well shaped, and that's all we get when we practice Vyaghra Gati. So it is very much beneficial to remove your abdominal fat, hip fat, thigh fat, and also it reduces your waist size, and smaller your waist sizes, longer your life sizes. You must have heard it. Other than that, Vyaghra Gati also helps in the circulation of blood and energy upwards, which means a healthy heart, which means healthy skin, healthy hair, healthy scalp, healthy eyes. So it's a wonderful gati with immense benefits. But there is one precaution, and precaution is if you suffer from the problem of knee pain, try to avoid it. And if you have severe lumbar pain or lower back pain, then also you can avoid it. Rest everybody can do it. So to practice Vyaghra Gati, we have to come on our knees in this position. And then while inhaling, lift up your leg in such a way that you are trying and your face and broaden up your chest as if you're trying to touch your head to your toe, which is not possible, but just feel as if you want to do that. So while inhaling, I'm doing it with my right leg first. While exhaling, bend forward and try to touch your forehead to your knee, which is again not possible, but we just have to feel it. So return back. After doing it at least 10 times from the right side, we will be doing it from left side. Inhale, exhale. After doing it 10 times from both sides, return back in Vajrasan, relax your hands and stay here for some time. Now it is also a wonderful gati for your thyroid gland. If you suffer from hypothyroidism or hypothyroidism, you must practice it. Stay here for some time, let your breath becomes absolutely normal, and then you can practice the other practices. So Vyaghra Gati can be done 10 repetitions on each side, that's one round. If you want to, you call it, I want to make my abs, which means you want to reduce your abdominal fat, and you want to reduce fat from your hips and your thighs, and you want to have a smaller waist, then gradually increase it to 3 rounds, which means 10 repetition is one round. So 3 rounds means 30 repetitions, but you must take rest after one repetition. Shashank Bhujanga Gati, which is a combination of two asan, Shashankasan and Bhujangasan. Because it is a movement, it comes under the category of Gati. So, if you have any kind of back issue, spine issue, whether it be back pain, whether it be lumbar pain, whether it be sciatica, or you have problem with your respiration, or you have problem with your posture, or you suffer from cervical, neck pain, or migraine, or you want to have glowing skin and healthy hair, or you suffer from hair fall, or you have poor eyesight, Shashank Bhujangati is going to give you relief in all these problems. And other than that, one of the very important thing is that it reduces your physical and mental stress instantly. So when you're tired, you're really tired after a hectic day, come home, practice Shashank Bhujangati, and you will be amazingly refreshed after practicing it. So how do we do Shashank Bhujangati? So we come in Vajrasan, then place your palms on the floor, exhale, bend forward, exhale more, lie down on your stomach, inhale, exhale. Sit in Vajrasan. Just look at it once more. Exhale. Exhale more. Inhale. Exhale. Sit in Vajrasan. Relax. So this is Shashank Bhujanga Gati. Now, how many times shall we repeat it? So you can start with 5 repetitions and slowly take it to 10, but more than 10 is not required. Any precaution? Yes. If you suffer from the problem of slipped disc, then you should avoid practicing Shashank Bhujanga Gati. It also helps in reducing your abdominal fat and giving shape to your spine, to your back, and also reducing your waist size. Practice it every day. Well, sometimes you feel tired, sometimes you feel lazy and lethargic, or sometimes you feel back pain, stiff back. You really, really desperately need a massage. But what if I tell you that you don't need massage from outside? You can give a natural massage to your back. Well, we will be learning that today. So we will be doing Gardabh Gati. Now, Gardabh means donkey. So movement like a donkey. When donkey is tired, because donkey is really, really hard working and he lifts so much of weight on his back. So you need an instant relaxation for his back, his spine, and that's the time when he practices Gardabh Gati. So we will be doing Gardabh Gati. There are different two ways of doing Gardabh Gati. We will be learning only one today in this episode. How do we practice Gardabh Gati? Gardabh Gati helps you in the circulation of blood in your entire system instantly, helps you in bidding a farewell to your back pain instantly, energizes you instantly, and also gives an amazing massage at your back. So just lie down on your back and then fold your legs, both legs together. Just fold it. Okay? So feel the pressure at your abdomen, interlock your fingers. This is the position. Stay here for some time and then start rolling. Do it 10 times, 1 repetition, break for some time, and then restart. So 10 rolls is 1 repetition. You can practice 3 repetitions, but gradually. Initially start with only 1 repetition. So Gardabh Gati instantly bless you with so many benefits. Practice it every day. Well, technology has its benefits as well as some flaws. So if we are using technology, then it's very good. But when technology starts using us, that becomes a problem. So when we use mobile for a very long time, maybe mobile or an iPad, or we are using desktop for a very, very long time, working on desk for a very long time, that gives stress and tension at our neck, shoulders, head. So we suffer from neck pain, cervical, stiff shoulders, back pain. With the wrong posture, we also have lumbar pain, lower back pain, and sometimes migraine headache. Now, this is also a good practice for those who suffer from the problem of sciatica. You can actually bid a farewell to sciatica if you practice Sarpa Gati every single day. So, if I say that Sarpa Gati is helpful in each and every problem, that won't be an exaggeration. It relaxes your entire stressed system instantly, and you can practice it either in the morning or in the evening. How do we practice Sarpa Gati? To practice Sarpa Gati, just lie down on your stomach, place your elbows on the floor, place your chin in between your palms, feet together just like tail of a snake, since the name is Sarpa Gati, and step by step take your elbows forward. When you bring it to its maximum, that you feel you cannot take it any further, just stay here and feel the extreme relaxation at the back of your neck. Enjoy this relaxation. Now bring your elbows closer to your chest. When you think that I have brought it as close as possible and I can't move my elbows any further, just feel the relaxation at your lower back. But do not bend your neck, that's not recommended. Just stay here. So again, forward. Feel the relaxation at the back of your neck. Closer to your chest. Feel the relaxation at your lower back. And then make pillow of your arms, spread your legs, relax your entire system. Now, how do we return back? Take support from your hands and slowly come back in Vajrasan. Relax your whole system. Now, if anybody suffers from cervical, when you do it for the first time, you might feel a little dizzy. That's okay. But do it as per your capacity. Do not overdo this practice or any other practice. How many repetitions can we do? You can repeat it from 5 to 10 times. Make sure that you practice it every day. This is a wonderful, wonderful gati to bless you with overall health. Thyroid, whether we talk about hyperthyroidism or hypothyroidism, it has become a major problem these days. Especially among women, you will see every alternate woman having problem of thyroid, hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism. So we will be learning such a gati. It helps in either hyper or hypothyroid, both cases. It is a wonderful gati. Other than that, if you suffer from any kind of mental anxiety or stress or depression, or you're not able to sleep properly, then also it is one of the best gatis. It also helps you in having good eyesight. It is also good in ear health, to have beautiful glowing skin, and also helps in maintaining your hair health. So let's say hair fall, graying of hair before age, this all can be handled and managed through the continuous practice of Gunjan Gati. How do we practice it? Is there any precaution? No, everybody can practice it. Only if you have severe cervical, in such case that you cannot move your neck, then you can avoid it. Otherwise, everybody can do it. So we block our ears with the first finger, and with the blocked ears, we inhale through our nose. While exhaling, we have to create the sound of humming or bumblebee. And two things are going to happen simultaneously. One is creating the sound and exhaling, of course. And it's three things: creating the sound, exhalation, and the movement of your neck. So just look at me once. Inhale. Unblock your ears and then stay with your eyes closed for some time, because the whole circulation of energy is upward, and then gradually open your eyes. So this is Gunjan Gati. This is one round. You can practice 5 rounds of Gunjan Gati every single day. Now, while practicing Gunjan Gati, it also helps in removal of any kind of pain or discomfort at your neck and at your shoulders. So make sure you practice it every day. Lots of love, light and blessings. Hari Om.